All right, guys, we are now on to our lab number 9, rewriting history, where we'll be talking about git rebase and git rebase hyphen I. Before that, you should know what rebase is. What it does, it actually replaces your commits on a new base, right? So it is very dangerous, considered to be a dangerous one because it rewrites your shared history. So it's not recommended to be done on main branch at all. However, for our hands-on, we'll do something and we'll try to squash multiple commits. We'll try to clean messy commit history. Let's see how it does, how it works. And without wasting time, move on to the hands-on. So very first thing I'll do is to uh, echo base let's say version 1, and then I'll say app dot text. Okay, I'll add it. I'll add the app dot text, do the commit hyphen m, and update it. Let's say let me do this just to identify the differences. Base let's say commit. Okay, and now what I'll do, I'll create a new branch, get check out hyphen b feature, and I'm now into feature branch. What I'll do is I'll echo here as well, feature work one. I'll say it like this, and then I'll say I'll echo it with, oh my god, with this f1. All right, and same thing I'll do with another, let's say, feature. Okay, I have encoded but I haven't added it, so let me add that as well. Get add app, get add app.txt, get commit hyphen m. This is feature one, and now I'll do this for, let's say, feature work 2. This is all we are doing on feature branch. I'll add, I'll commit, it would be 2. Now this time I'll check out the main branch again and try to do the main, let's say, hotfix, and I'll echo it with again app.txt. We'll again add it, and we'll again commit this with, let's say, main hotfix. I've done. So now our branches have diverged. Now what I'll do here is I'll check out feature branch and say get rebase main. It is trying to rebase, however it has created a conflict. So what we can do here is we can say let's accept the incoming change. The rebase is in progress, right? So uh, if I do the accept incoming change, right? I have accepted incoming change, and I'll say git rebase, git rebase, git rebase hyphen hyphen continue. Or maybe I'll have to add that first and then say rebase continue. So what I'll do here is I'll say git add app, because we have modified it, right? We have accepted the change. Now I'll say git rebase hyphen hyphen continue. So I have merged, resolved the merged conflict, and then I have added it to the stage area, and then say rebase continue. Now it is asking me to enter the commit message for this. So what I'll do here is I'll say insert. This is kind of untagged file. So I'll remove this and we'll say, let me first quit this and see what untagged file we have. Let me check git status here. Okay, we have that untracked file as well. So we have to uh, either add it. Let's say git add app. So let me do this. Let me delete this. It's mistakenly created. Delete. Move to recycle bin. Delete permanently. And then if I do git status, it is deleted. And now if I do git rebase continue, it has created a swap file for some reason. Let me see. One thing that I'll have to check here. I don't have anything in here. So let me do the continue. I'll have to remove this. There is swap file found. Let's remove it. Come back here. Okay. Now I'll do this again. Rebase continue. All right. Now it's asking me to uh, add the file insert I modified file with new version. Let's say save it. Now I say get status. It's asking me to add, and now it's as well the rebase for forward 2 as well. I'll say insert and I'll say updated file. That's it. Okay, so it detached the head from the second one and it successfully rebased. Now the next command was hyphen I, and what hyphen I does, will try to squash it using hyphen I. Let's say I have, let me run this command again. I'll say um, in my main branch only. Okay, whatever you have done, if you would like to verify that, what you can do here is you can say git log hyphen one line, and you would find the kind of clean history with the feature commits on top of main. See, this is what we have done on the main. And now what I'm going to do here is I'll try to run the base hyphen I, but we haven't tracked anything. I mean, we haven't added anything. So let's first add it. Echo, let's say version 1 to app.txt. I'll add that app.txt. Cool. I'll commit this. Then it is step 1, let's say. Okay, I'm going to do this with version 2 and version 3 as well. Echo version 2, add commit step 2, and I'll do this with version 3, add, and then we'll do the commit. And now we have run 3 steps. And if I do here git, it's kind of slow, git rebase hyphen I, but I am going to do it with head, let's say 3. Okay, head 3. It has opened an editor. We'll now squash it. Squash, squash. Okay. Uh, Now I'm going to save it. Save and exit. It has opened the editor again just for me to uh, add the new commit message. So what I'll do here is it is saying this is a combination of 3 commits. So what I'll do, I'll add the commit here. Insert, and then I'll remove this and add updated file versions and save it. It has successfully rebased, and if I run the same command again, git log one line, now you would find that you now have one clean commit instead of 3 messy ones. So if you have seen, we have step 1, underneath we have uh, these many commits we have. So this is a commit history, if you see, right? So if you run git rebase without hyphen I, it will keep your branch up to date very cleanly. But if you use hyphen I, it will make you look professional before you raise any PR. Okay, I hope you now understand the rebase logic. If not, again, I'll recommend you to try to search online or try to do it on your own. The more you do, the more you uh, get to know the purpose of this git rebase. For this session, we are done with it. Let's catch you up in the next one.